Listen, when I saw this hair emerge into this venue, I was like, oh, I have to talk to this girl and get some tips and see what's going on here. So if you could just introduce your name.
Hi, my name is Salome, and I come from Glasgow. Well, originally come from Tanzania, but live here.
She's living here in Glasgow. Girl, this hair, and it's all her own. Can you tell us how long have you been growing this beautiful hair?
Since I was 16, so I had to chop it off.
You still look 16. What are you talking about?
I'm 22,
Black don't crack.
I'm 22, guys. I'm 22. That's why I can come here. But yeah, I grew it since I was 16, and I'm telling you right now, relaxer is bad. Don't go to relaxing hair. Just stay natural completely, and then you'll be fine.
So did you used to relax your hair, and now, and then, so what, can you give us your story? Because everybody's got a story.
So yeah, I used to relax my hair, but I could see nothing was growing, nothing was improving. It was just
what length was it then when you kept?
It was just like always here. So I said, okay, you know what, might as well now just chop it off. And my sister did the same. So now we're just both natural. She's also growing her hair. But yeah, that's it.
Wow. So basically it was, obviously with the relaxing stuff, when you started seeing your hair come in and you started seeing the length, were you like,
yeah.
if I'd have known.
I know, the length was growing. I did have some people that were like, it's so uncomfortable. Like my lecturers right now, they're very uncomfortable with it. But you know, I just had to like.
So uncomfortable, can you explain why? What kind of attraction is this hair growing?
Basically, it distracts people, like, because it's
in a good way.
Yeah, in a good way and a bad way, but I don't know, it's up to them. But yeah, because it's too big, so some people say, oh, you're blocking me and stuff. Oh, the teacher's like, I can't, like, I don't know if you're listening to me because, like, it's too big. But at the end of the day, I like what I have, so I just work with it and keep going.
Nobody else kind of gets those kind of comments, like distractions and stuff, but it's a beautiful distraction. I love this hair. So many people love to wear it like with ringlets and stuff, but I love how you're wearing it like this. So what's some of your top maintenance tips that you found along the way to get this type of length?
Yeah, conditioner, and always wash your hair every week. Also have someone like my sister, she always plaits my hair. We just play with each other's hair, so like have someone that you know can play with your hair, like plaits and stuff. So yeah, and conditioner, but that's
and probably people are going, what product is she using? So if you could tell us maybe some of the products that you're using, and do you have any kind of protective styles that you wear?
So me, I don't really use that much like dramatic chemicals, like stuff, because I have sensitive skin, so I have to like be careful what I use. So I use there's one coconut. It's called coconut. It's basically just something that has conditioner, and this oil. I don't know what it's called, but it's you put it on your scalp. I don't know what it's called, but it's from Kenya, and I get it.
You get it imported or?
Yeah, from Glasgow. So an auntie of mine brings it all the way here from Kenya. So I don't know what it's called. If I had it, I would have showed you.
Everybody's annoyed right now that you don't know what the name of that oil.
It's hard to get because I heard that you can't even get it from London. So I was like, okay, but yeah, but it smells so bad. It does smell bad, but it's really good for your scalp.
Okay. Yeah. Maybe it contains some herbs and stuff.
Yeah.
Do you cut your hair? Do you trim it, or?
Yeah, I trim my hair.
What's your detangling method? Just quickly.
I twist my hair when I go to sleep. You would wonder like, how do you sleep? But yeah, I twist my hair and then I tie it up with like a hairband, like that. You always have to do that because of course if you sleep just like this, it's gonna go all tangly and it's not gonna look good. But also sometimes I also put like conditioner on the bottom when I twist my hair, so then I can just sleep and then wake up and everything will be fine. But yeah, what else? Yeah, that's it.
Thank you so much. Well, give us a spin again with this hair. Look at that.
Yeah, thank you.
That's hair goals right there. Hashtag. Thank you so much.